In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add variable products in WooCommerce WordPress. If you sell items that come in different options, like sizes or colors, variable products let shoppers pick exactly what they want from a single product page. Here's how to set that up clearly and confidently. First, open your WordPress website and head into your dashboard. From the left menu, click Products, then click All Products to see your catalog. Find the specific product you want to work with and click Edit. This takes you to the product editor where we'll make the changes. Scroll to the product data panel. By default, many products are set to simple product. Open the product type dropdown and switch it to variable product. That tells WooCommerce this item has selectable options and enables the tabs you'll use next. Next, move to the Attributes tab inside the product data panel. Click to add an attribute and select size from the list. Choose the size options that apply to this product, such as small, medium, or large. Then make sure the option to use this attribute for variations is enabled. When you're done, save your attributes. Saving here locks in the options you'll build variations from and keeps everything organized. With attributes saved, go to the Variations tab. Click Add Variation. You can add variations based on the size options you just set, creating one variation per size. For each variation, expand its panel and fill in the details that matter for your store, like price, stock status, SKU, and even a specific image if each size needs its own photo. A quick tip: WooCommerce requires each variation to have a price before it can be purchased, so don't skip that field. If a variation is temporarily unavailable, mark it out of stock instead of deleting it, so you can reactivate it later without rebuilding it. Feel free to add any variants your product has until the list accurately reflects what customers can buy. As you go, click Save Changes in the Variations tab to make sure your work doesn't get lost. When everything looks right, update the product to apply all changes on your site. That's it. You opened your WordPress site, navigated to Products, edited a specific item, switched it to a variable product, added the size attribute, saved your attributes, and then added variations for each option before saving changes. Follow these steps anytime you need to sell a product with selectable options, and your customers will have a smooth, intuitive shopping experience.